And the final button here on the button is shift speed.
Now, what were these three?
The first is for engine dynamics.
Mm-hmm.
Second is for suspension control, power steering, so Vetronic we call it. And the last is drive logic, the speed of the gearbox.
And you have two M buttons and one M2, and you can program them.
Yeah. Actually, you have three settings you can use while driving the M5. The first setting is the startup setting, which you see right now. Yeah, all the systems are inefficient, so you get the best fuel economy out of it, and it's the easiest way to drive the car. It's indicated also below the speedometer. There you see the systems as they are set.
Efficient, comfort.
Yeah, and you're on the brake pedal, so I can shift the lever to the right. Then you also see the program selected, starting up the car. It's always the D program with the speed setting of the transmission. It's in the middle. With first step on shift speed. So this is your basic program. If you push now button M1, you have seen there a sign popping up saying M confirm, which means if you push again, please, you M button, M1 button, push confirm, push again. Push again, please. Yeah. So now the system activates the M1 setting. This M1 setting includes also the MDM mode, which is indicated in the middle, and also here with the sign of the car with DSC off. This gives you the advice or the information that you have now reduced stability control, and therefore we ask you to confirm. So you are aware that you are changing from full stability control to only reduced stability control. And now you also have here a setting where all the systems are in sport. So engine dynamics are in sport, damper control is in sport, and Servotronic is in sport. And shift speed of the transmission is in its maximum with the three bars activated. If you can, let's have a look what actually is programmed on M2.
M2.
It's again confirmed. It's in
Sport
this case
plus,
it's it's even a little bit
more dynamic.
More dynamic. It's perhaps the best setting for driving here on the Ascari ring. It depends how you like the support of the Servotronic. If you like lower or more power assist, then you could arrange this, and you would push here the button, for example, and say I don't want to have the Sport Plus, which is activated at the moment. I toggle through the possible setting and I put it to Sport, for example. So now you have a new setting, or you have changed the existing M2 setting. To save the setting, you just do a long push on M2. And so we have now a new M2 setting, and that's all.
Okay.
And then once you have driven with the car for a few days, you will have your idle settings for M1 and M2, and then you just get in the car, push the button, and off you go.
Between M1 and M2, how many custom configurations can you have?
I didn't count the numbers you actually can arrange. Basically, you have 3 saved settings. This is the main idea behind. In driving with the car, you can always change by pushing the button immediately the setting of servotronic, of the damper control, or of engine dynamics, or of our drive logic switch for the speed of the gearbox. So actually you always reduce it then finally to 3 settings which are saved in the computer of the car.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, Doctor.
No, doctor.